welcome to the news. News just in. Pocket Rocket Garage has now over 100 subscribers. This channel has really taken off. From me to you, thank you very much. Have a great day.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the garage, or if you are an American viewer, welcome back to the garage. Today I've taken out the heater valve out of the car, the heater system. Hello. And I'm going to be repairing that and restoring it as best I can. One of the products that I've got today is, let's have a look, it is Bilt Hamber Deox Gel. And from what I've seen on the internet, it gets really good results removing the rust from the bare metal. I'm going to take you over to the workbench and we'll go through the process of cleaning up and restoring the heater valve. Before I do any more, I'm just going to have a quick tea break. Oh. Lovely cup of tea. Oh, hello. Couple of bickies. Finally! Right, so the Deox Gel has been working on the part now for around 48 hours. And what you do is you wrap it in cling film, like you saw in the video, and the results should look like... I'll just bring you in a bit closer so you can see the results. It's not barbecue chicken, by the way. It does look like it. Okay. So this has been in soak for 48 hours. Let's have a look. Now the part's all been washed and dried, we can put some paint on it, so I'll just take you through to the spray booth. Here's the spray booth. As you can tell, it's top of the range, it's brand new, no expense spared in this garage. Let's get on with it. I hope you didn't fall asleep. Something just a little bit different today, so you can see how I would go about cleaning up and restoring parts that come off the car before I put them into storage. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and if you have, thanks a lot. See you again soon. See you on the next one.